So let's have a look inside. Look at those roses. Aren't they just beautiful? I can tell you, they smell amazing. So we have this big old door, which is very cool. And you come in to this very big open space, and I can tell you, it is so cool and lovely in here, which is going to be amazing in the summertime. A real nice place to chill out and escape the heat, because it's already 26 degrees today, beginning of April. Some very cool things we found in this place, like this table, which has a hole underneath. Any ideas what for? I'll tell you. It's to put a little bucket of fire so that you can warm your feet up, or hot coals from the fire so that you can warm your feet up while you're having your dinner. How cool is that? Inherited lots of walking sticks and some random pictures. But it's all original beams. This originally would have been a different half of the house. So there would have been a door there, we can tell from the other side. And this, you can see at the top here, there's like a little detail. So this apparently is an old Mozarabe style. And if we just chip away at this, apparently this angle goes all the way down with probably some sort of detail moulding down here as well. So it's going to be lovely discovering what's going on. These are the G-plan units that my mum bought when I was 3 months old, which have come all the way from the UK, which is cool. Probably the most revolting thing that we found in the house is this. I kind of can't decide whether to leave it or not, but it is pretty gruesome. Stairs going up there, you can see that's been where there's been a big leak. We've had some nice leaky roof stuff going on. And this is the first trastero, or workshop, which has been very much cleared out, but we've inherited lots of things. This is all my stuff that's still yet to be unpacked as we decorate. But some very cool things, you know, look at that for a bowling ball. An old weighing scales. Yeah, lots of baskets. All sort of original beams. And I don't know, I've always wanted one of these, but look at that workbench. How exciting is that? I'm very excited. So lots of tools we've inherited, an insane amount of cowbells, which are my sound of Spain. I love them. They're going to be dangling somewhere. Lots of random wooden things that are used for something, I don't know. And wood and all sorts. There's a barbecue. Look at their tools. Look at these big scythy things. Shut up, cat. And stuff above. And yeah, this is the tiled bit, which is underneath the kitchen. So it's just for me more reinforcement, apparently. Yeah, so all of these are just full of tools that we've inherited. Yeah, so it's very cool what we've got. I've just been picking it apart really, but this is going to be what one day might be a bedroom. So it's quite a warm room, this. Yeah, so, and it's got quite a good head height, so it might be good for a albergue door room. That would be quite cool. Maybe we could have this as a bit where you put your boots. This could be a sort of sitting, chilling area coming through the big door. And then the other side, well, this goes upstairs to the house, which you will see in another video. And then the other trastero is through here. So I will show you the stable in another video as well. But this is the other trastero, which is where the shop would have been before. Which, again, very damp, needs a lot of work, you know. But a very cool old table. Lovely cool old benches. I love all the stuff we've kind of inherited. Lots of tools that we've inherited. there's me with my I'm a Brit hat on, very campesina. Walnuts, which I think came off our tree, and a very cool walnut cracker. So again, work to be done in here to make it all kind of yeah, a bit better, but mainly sorted. And then the other door that goes outside, so this could be a kitchen bathroom type place for our allotment, albergue, whatever it turns out to be. So that's a little tour of the downstairs of, look at that light switches, I mean it's amazing, isn't it? Of our casa.